Dr. Conrad, thank you so much for being on the show today.
It takes a long studies to achieve all these specializations, but it is necessary to be a super specialist if you want to deal with issues related to face and neck. So any operations, especially operations that are designed to improve appearance, have to be connected with preservation of function.
And how do you enjoy it? The fact that you changed someone's life, how as a doctor, how do you enjoy it?
This is a fascinating specialty because there are a lot of people who require this type of procedures due to the fact that they have birth defects, genetically predetermined deformities, and of course it affects their self-esteem, it affects their confidence, and it is necessary to recognize the importance of it in order to restore their appearance as well as it can be and bring them back to a normal functioning. Now, of course, this is a youth-oriented society as well. So a lot of people with aging want to improve their appearance just to camouflage signs of aging. And here we can prevent perhaps signs of aging through proper skin care and looking after our skin from early life, protecting from sun damage. But at some stage, surgical procedures become necessary in order to really reverse all the tissue relaxation and the harmful effects of gravity. And that is, of course, what we do. We perform operations that improve self-esteem, improve confidence, and the cosmetic surgery now is actually considered not only important for psychological reasons, but also for economical reasons. A lot of people want to present themselves as youthful, energetic at work. This influences their professional careers. So lots of ramifications. Most likely, if we look at Kim Kardashian's pictures from earlier in her life, she has had rhinoplasty, no question. Yes. Now, her cheekbones obviously very well delineated and well emphasized on this picture. And probably she also had cheek augmentation either by injections or some implants. As far as her lips are concerned, it will be difficult to be sure because a lot of people have genetically predetermined features that can result in this kind of lip configuration. So I'm not sure. Maybe the lower lip was a little bit augmented, so, but it was done tastefully. Sometimes people have lips that are really exaggerated. Now this is a good example of well-balanced cosmetic improvements.
Yeah, because you know, when I look at Kim Kardashian's, one thing that I love about it is about the fact that it's so well balanced.
Yes.
And we had a lot of girls that, you know, emailed us and they always ask us, is that can they get that face? But the question is, I mean, everyone's anatomy is different. So technically, you really can't have her face on your face.
No, of course, we have to do what we can do with particular anatomy of the particular patient. Rhinoplasty is the most intricate, most difficult perhaps out of all the plastic cosmetic operations that we perform on the human body because it requires great deal of skill and artistic sensitivity and also very good balance in the treatment and judgment on the part of the surgeon. So rhinoplasty is an operation very popular not only in other communities but especially in Persian community.
Now I'd like you to start off with this young beautiful. How old is she?
She is 16.
Oh wow!
She had 2 operations that were necessary because of early life injury, and after these 2 operations, this is the final result. Obviously, not very good. This is what I corrected for her. Her nose now looks normal. Her deformity is more obvious on the view from one side, that you can see collapse of the nasal bridge, and that was totally restored, and she has been quite normal and happy. And not only that she has got normal looking nose, but she also can breathe through it very well. Well, this patient aged prematurely. She has got sagging of the facial tissues and also multiple etchings of her skin. So in her case, I performed total facelift with correction of the eyelids and forehead, as well as total resurfacing of the face, of her face with laser. This nose obviously is quite strong on this beautiful feminine face. So very well designed reshaping, as shown now on the next picture, it created better balanced and much more feminine.
What a difference. You know, I love your nose jobs because they are exactly what Persian people want. که ما میگیم عروسکی, which is that dull, beautiful, chic, elegant look that everybody wants.
This is not a sort of gouged out bridge, not a sort of ski slope. It's nice and straight profile that most people prefer because it is more elegant than really slopey looking bridge.
For people that are outside Canada, because this is aired all around the world, so for people that do want to come to your clinic, how long should they take off work and come to Toronto to get any type of surgery done on their face or neck?
It should be probably 1 week. They can be accommodated in the local hotels. We can facilitate that, or they can stay for a few days in my clinic as well. I have a lot of patients coming from various countries, and we have got provision for this.
Have a great night. Thank you so much.
Thank you.